Welcome back one and all, and thank you very much for joining us on our popular Cruise Hive news updates. We have a great update for you as we finish off the week with a further 4 news stories. We have guests informed about cleaning on Princess Cruises' ship. We take a look at Disney Adventure bookings as well as Carnival addresses Attire concerns, and Alaska port moves closer to daily cruise cap. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Disney Cruise Line's Castaway Club members get early access to book sailings on the new Disney Adventure cruise ship debuting from Singapore. Bookings open December the 4th for Pearl members, December 5th for Platinum, December 6th for Gold and December the 9th for Silver. US booking times begin at 7 PM estimated time the night before each respective date. Public bookings open December the 10th as the Disney Adventure will embark on its inaugural 3-night voyage on December the 15th, offering at-sea only experiences with unique onboard attractions including themed dining and the longest roller coaster at sea. A Carnival cruise guest recently suggested to brand ambassador John Heald a stricter dress code for elegant evenings, proposing tuxedos and ball gowns for longer Carnival journey cruises of 9 nights and more to exotic destinations like Greenland and New Zealand. Heald acknowledged the tradition but noted that preferences have evolved, with formal wear optional in the main dining rooms. Many travellers prefer relaxed attire for comfort and convenience. The consensus among guests supports flexibility. Those who enjoy dressing up can do so, but formal wear is not a requirement. So cruisers, are you for or against a stricter dress code for main dining rooms? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Sitka in Alaska, a key port on the Inside Passage, is advancing plans to cap daily cruise arrivals at 7,000 passengers. This move, approved in a non-binding Memorandum of Understanding by the Sitka Assembly on November the 12th, aims to reduce tourism's impact on locals and the environment. The MOU includes quiet days on Saturdays and seasonal restrictions, preventing large ships from docking in April and October. Following record cruise arrivals in 2023, Sitka joins Juneau and Bar Harbor in setting passenger limits to manage tourism sustainability, with the MOU set to take effect upon the terminal owner's signature. 2 Princess cruise ships sailing through Australian waters have recently reported gastrointestinal outbreaks. The first outbreak occurred on Diamond Princess during a 21-night cruise to New Zealand, disembarking in Adelaide on November the 12th. Now a second outbreak has affected Crown Princess, where passengers were urged to disembark in Darwin in Australia on November the 14th for a deep cleaning operation. The cruise sanitised public areas and all 1,500 staterooms, aiming to curb the spread. Sick passengers were isolated and heightened hygiene measures were implemented on board. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.